Video 303, Simpler Auto Tile Shader, Part 22. We're making an MMO in JavaScript. Let's get into it. So in shader source fragment number 7, we've added new variables. We have not done any calculations. We've just added new variables in this questionable scope section. So we have all these variables. I don't think we have time to explain what they all do, but I added all these nice little diagrams for explaining what they do. So we have kind of like this big section here explaining the occlusion process that we're going to use in our shader and how we're going to get the tile that we're going to render. So in order to occlude, what we're going to do is we're going to do like this doubly nested loop and figure out which layer, which tile value, and which tile size exponent we're going to render. So there's 21 different combinations, right? So there's 7 tile size exponents. There's 3 layers. That's 21 different tiles that could exist on a certain fragment, but we're only going to pick one of those to render, whichever one is the first visible frontmost tile that we can find. We don't have time to explain it any more than that, but I made all these nice little diagrams for you so that will help. And then also, besides all these little diagrams that I've wrote for you, you can go to the slower playlist for a bigger explanation. I just do not have time to explain everything I've done here because you are on the shorter playlist here. So I would go to the longer playlist if you want a longer explanation, because otherwise, if you just want to know what we did, well, in shader source number 7, which is the auto tile shader that we're working on, all we did was add this questionable scope area. We added these monkey wrench macros right here. And then we added like all these variables right here. So that's all we did, but I don't have time to explain it all in this video, so you'll have to go to the longer videos. So you've been on video number 303, and like, subscribe, send money in the mail.